Hi everyone, welcome back again to another housing vlog. To ensure you don't miss any new videos when we upload them, we encourage those who are new to our channel to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Videos are regularly posted on our channel, so stay subscribed. In today's video, I have this beautiful 2 BHK flat for sale at a prime residential area, Panathur in Bengaluru. Overall, the apartment has got 2 bedroom, 2 bathroom and 1 balcony with a puja room. The flat is spread across 1150 square feet of built up area and is facing east direction. The asking price by the owner of this house is 87 lakhs. The society has got basic amenities like access to water and power backup. This house provides ample natural light and has good ventilation that invites comfort. The property is a quality construction and the flat is semi-furnished. The prime location provides residents with access to the very best that the city has to offer. The property is situated close to all the basic amenities. It is close to the main road, making it highly accessible. It's a freehold property with access to 1 covered parking. Major schools and colleges, good hospitals, availability of private and public transportation, major IT tech parks are hardly distance from the site. That's it folks from this video. Hope you all found it interesting and useful. Meet you all in the next one.
Moonlight, summer sky, it was a day